hijab, Hajia. We are here at Griggs Nature Preserve, and this is where there's the Hayden waterfalls in Scioto, or in Dublin. It's actually in Dublin, by the Scioto River. So we're just gonna go down. I'll show you guys in a bit, but we're gonna go down and we'll see. Come with us. Hey guys, here we are. We're going down. There's this long, steep stairs leading down there, and there's the Scioto River. This is a nature preserve park, Metro Park.
I love this.
It's protecting the watershed. Yeah. Yes, my sir. Okay, let's go. Give me your hand. We're going down. The steps are very steep.
Look, I see someone's house.
Yeah, there's someone's house on the other side.
Imagine if I was ours.
So we're going up.
In memory of
And then we're going down.
Hayden.
Oh, someone must have died here. Peyton.
Oh, I see something.
Yeah, she died.
Someone died?
She died there. Alright, let's go. Watch your step. It's a very steep stair. Hold the handrail. Hold it. Make sure I got your hand. The selfie stick would have been perfect for here.
Imagine if Hedaf was here.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah.
Faisal or Habibi has to be here with me to bring Hedaf.
Or we could have used the carrier, but he
It
would
looks
be
scary,
too big.
but once you go down, it's not too bad.
Imagine if Hedaf here, then it's going to be crazy.
It's very beautiful in the summer because the trees have full foliage. And there's lots of plants blooming in the summer, so. And it's also beautiful when there's snow around.
Why did they build this thing?
To help us go down, my sir.
It's dumb.
How is it dumb?
Deep. They made
It's
it deep.
steep. It's steep.
Why did they made it deep like that?
No, steep, not deep. It's steep.
Why did they make it deep like that?
Well, to help us, because look, how else do you expect us to come down here if they didn't have the steps? It's cold. It's starting to get cold. I'm a little sick today, but I have to bring them here. Lady in pink. Pink lady.
But down the tree.
What?
I thought down the snake, but down the tree.
Oh no. If we see snake, we're leaving. You know, Gimbia doesn't like snakes, right?
I like snakes. I like to kill them.
Yeah, you like all things creepy, right? Look at the current of the water.
Whoa.
Pretty cool, eh?
Whoa.
I'll see if I can break you a twig, a branch from your tree. You see the falls? The last time we were here, it was very dry. I remember it was really dry. There wasn't much water falling. Yeah, it's been raining a lot lately, so it should be stronger.
Spring is coming.
Yep.
And then summer, and then no school. Finally, summer.
Wow.
No school.
Says the girl who used to love school so much.
That was when I was in kindergarten through second grade.
Macer, you love school,
He'll
right?
know soon. He'll know the pain soon. Right now, he's a
Macer
beginner.
loves school. Right, Macer?
I love school.
Yeah,
too
we
much.
love school too much.
I
Yeah?
love school when I'm 8th grade. when I'm the same grade as you.
Yeah? Okay. All right. Let's kick our feet, Macer.
Yeah.
Macer, let's kick our feet. Stomp. Ooh, do you see the fall? Macer, give me your hand.
Yes.
Give me your hand. Exactly why you have to give me your hand. Oh my God, look at it. It's so beautiful. MashaAllah. Subhanallah.
It's not even that beautiful.
Subhanallah.
It's not even that beautiful. But
Not deep.
it's scary when you fall down like that.
Yeah. We're getting closer.
You remind me of Old Man's Cave.
Yeah, almost like the old
We should have
man's cave.
recorded when we were there.
Well, we took lots of pictures.
Yeah.
I'm planning for us to go this summer, inshallah.
The water is
Yeah. Do you feel the mist? And that's what made this place wet, the mist. Do you feel the mist in your face? Yeah, do you feel it? The little water on your face? Yeah? MashaAllah, it's so beautiful. Lisa, get closer. Put on your hat. Here. Fishy? I don't think there's any fish here. I doubt it. I want us to drive and go up there because I seen some people up there, but I think we would have to drive back up on on Hayden Run, and then turn on Trans Road. We're gonna go. But here we are, Hayden Run Falls. It is beautiful. And this is Hayden Run Park. Hayden Run Metro Park. You alright, my sir? My sir? You okay? Look at your hat.
I see them.
You see people?
I see feet.
What do you see?
Feet. They're going over there, there. I see the feet.
Yeah.
By the water.
Ooh, it's getting breezy. MashaAllah, this is beautiful. And this is right here in our backyard, people. This is in Columbus, Ohio. It was a 30-minute drive from our house. I expect the traffic to be worse, but...
When the water goes fast, it turns white. When the water goes slow, it turns clear.
It turns clear? Okay, so when it goes fast, it goes white. When it goes slow, it turns clear. Make sure your face is so ashy.
It's clear over there.
It is?
There's the water clear over there.
Oh, it looks like you can drink it, right?
Ew.
Well, if you didn't have water, you could possibly drink this. There's nothing wrong with that. But we have water, alhamdulillah. We have purified water.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's getting cold.
Imagine if the water was hot.
Let me take a picture of you guys. Pause it for me. Hey guys, we are leaving.
We're done with that little photo shoot.
We did a little photo shoot. It's very cold, so we're gonna head out. We're gonna go up the steep steps and out of the park. Where are we going next, Hadiya?
We're going to...
I wanted us to go see another waterfall in Westerville, but I don't feel too good and it's getting late, so maybe we'll do that next time. So yeah, next time. Let's go find something warm to drink.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
This is so beautiful, mashallah. I envy those people who live right up there. I would love to live here. See this beauty every day. Maysar, be careful. Those steps are very steep. Very steep. They don't look scary from down here. They look very scary when you get up there. Be careful. There's a Scioto River.
Wait, I want to record that.
So dried up. Oh my goodness. I remember
Look
when
at
we
those
came
duckies.
during the summer. The water level was really high. It was scary. You want to get those duckies? And do what?
And my pet.
Oh, make them your
You can't
pet?
keep ducks as your pet. Unless you're at a zoo or something, you can't keep ducks as pets.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You ever heard of that?
No, learn every day. Didn't know that. Yeah. Alright, going home. I want to give you guys a last view of the park before we head out. Haji, hold his hand, please. Hayden Run Metro Park. And we're going. Hajia, I want us to see if we can get on the other side. We just got back in our car. I made this.
Can you get the Cheetos over there?
Okay, I made this smoothie before we left home, and it's basically blueberries, some strawberries, a little bit of celery, some carrots. I had these pre-packed in the freezer, and I just added some fresh strawberries and blended with some honey. So we're gonna have this before we head out. All right, Greg's Nature Preserve. We out here. We're about to head out. Right, gang?
Yep.
Right, gang?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry. You're
I
about
want the Cheetos over
You're hungry, but you want to eat food, right? But you want to eat some junk food. You're hungry for junk food. That's what you
No,
are.
I'm not eating junk food.
Okay, all right.
We're
We're here at Tuttle Mall. We're trying to decide which halal place to eat at. So we're gonna go ask a couple places. We know the Halal Chinese bistro is halal, and then there's Curry and Grill over there. That was so weird. This white guy just
look at what it looks like.
Okay, we're gonna go see what's halal here. We came to the Halal China Bistro.
And orange. Okay.
Maisha and Haji are getting white rice with orange chicken and bourbon chicken. Right there. That's the bourbon chicken. This is the orange chicken.
How about the other box?
I want something spicy.
Yeah.
You said, is the red one spicy as well?
Did you try small piece? Yeah.
Okay.
See if you could
I
take
like
it.
this one so far. That one.
The small piece, yeah.
Try.
In case that's too spicy.
Just that's
for
me.
you.
I've been no way. Mister. Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. And we can do hot rice for you if you like it.
Ooh, this is spicy. We got our food.
Mama knows how to do
I didn't buy a drink because I have this right here.
That's crazy.
Maisha, this is so spicy.
Helpless. It's not helpless. I cannot do it.
How is it, Hajia?
I'm so
Good.
Oh,
Mister, move it closer.
The orange chicken is so good.
You like the orange chicken?
And this. Where's the orange chicken? I want the orange
I should make you guys some. I made some years back for the masjid. Maisha, you have your clothes in the food. Ew.
I like the orange chicken.
Maisha, just use a fork. Just use a fork. Here. Just use a fork. So this is the Halal Chinese Bistro. If you ever come to Tuttle Mall has a halal restaurant, halal Chinese. But it's basically American Chinese. It's not the real deal. Everything is like packed with sugar or honey. They have other places, but they're not halal. Oh, there's the curry and grill. I think that's what it's called. That's halal. It's Daze. Good stuff. Alright, we're gonna hurry up and get out of here. Let's go home, right? We have school tomorrow.
I don't.
Okay. Maisha just had a taste of my spicy chicken. It's really spicy. I miss his initial reaction. It was hilarious. Is it hot?
You want another one? Try another one.
No.
Don't be shy. Put some more.
You You want to try another one? Why? It's good. Isn't it tasty?
Don't be shy. Put some more. Eat some more. Don't be shy.
For sure, it's tasty. It's very delicious.
Don't be shy.
The guy gave us more veggies than Nama. I tried. Also, I don't really have my appetite. So, I tried. And I've been drinking this. So, I'm actually very, very full.
Now I'm craving ice. Cold.
Ice cold water. We have lots of ice, cold water in the car. All right, let's wrap it up and go. I feel really lightheaded.
You guys want a sample? I want one. Oh, you don't want it? Okay.
No.
That's nice. Yes, sir.